My name is Lissette Riquelme, and I just wanted to introduce myself. I have been fortunate enough to have lived in Naples, Florida since 1994 and enjoy the breathtaking beaches, restaurants, shopping, and beautiful architecture. I am often asked why I am so passionate about real estate. My answer is the relationships I get to develop with my clients. Every client that I meet is unique and has different requirements, whether it's a growing family, a first-time home buyer, an investor, or someone just looking to downsize. I'm always here to help. I care, I get you, and I'll guide you. What makes me different from my competition? I set the bar extremely high. I deliver an experience like no other by surrounding myself with a team of experts to help guide every client through this very important transaction. Please don't feel rushed by me or pressured whatsoever. I always work at my client's pace. I'll be reaching out to see if there's anything I can help you with. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I am your go-to Southwest Florida realtor. Thank you.